Hello, and thank you for choosing Paul Sherry RVs. Today we're going to be having a look at a 2016 Grey Wolf Limited 29 VT. This is over a 30-foot long trailer. Weighs 6,290 pounds, so it is half-ton towable. All with a price tag under $20,000. Look here, we have a electric tongue jack, 2 LP tanks. These are 20 pounds a piece, so you can get those filled up just about anywhere or swapped out. This trailer has one slide on it. It's a rather large one with the sofa and the dinette on it. A little bit of storage in here. Freshwater and city water connections here, and an exterior shower. All of these Grey Wolf Limiteds have this rack here on the back that will fold down. You can put up to 200 pounds worth of stuff on there. Firewood, grill, bikes. This one has an outside refrigerator and another exterior shower. There's 2 outside showers. There's a TV mount, 2 outside speakers, connections. There's a track here where you can attach a grill there, outside. There's another door to go in. This one leads into the bedroom. You see big power awning. You can see that up there or not. There's a LED light strip there. You can turn on, it lights up bluish purple. Looks pretty neat at nighttime. Again, everyone, this is a 2016 Grey Wolf Limited 29 VT. Back here, we've got 4 bunks. Some big storage here. This cabinet's a lot deeper than you'd think. Power outlet there. Another TV bracket if you wanted to hang a TV back here. And there's the coax for it. Massive U-shaped dinette. This will drop down into a pretty big bed. Got storage under each one of the booths. Giant undermount sink here. Gooseneck faucet pulls out. 3-burner oven. This glass top, cover it up. Microwave, refrigerator, big cabinet under the sink. Here's the entertainment center for the living room. Another TV bracket. Here's where the TV hooks up so you don't have wires flopping all over the place. It's a CD DVD player. It has 2 zones for it. You switch it from A to B if you want to have your music playing outside or inside. This sofa pulls out into a bed. Here you've got the bedroom and the bathroom. This door is kind of neat. I've never seen anything like this. It's the door for this and for the bathroom. So. And then you can close it there. Just a bathroom, stand-up shower, glass, cabinet here, sink, another cabinet, toilet here. This door also leads into this main bedroom where you have storage on each side. This bed also lifts up. See, there's the grill that attaches on the outside on that track I showed you. Again, this is a 2016 Grey Wolf Limited 29 VT. This trailer is a little over 30 feet long, weighs 6,290 pounds. all for the low price of $19,285. Come see us, folks. Paul Sherry RVs, Piqua, Ohio.